Welcome back to the show, everyone. This is our first show of 2019. I'm here with Jason Gough, our global marketing front man.
How's it going, eh?
We've had a very exciting 2019 so far, and we're only in February. We've had a new product actually kicked off in December, Sisel H2 sticks.
H2!
It's been pretty great. We have new swag, new tools. It's SiselSalesTools.com. We actually just finished printing off all these excellent brochures that you've been asking about, and those are available now.
15 of them,
15
I might add.
on all our products, and you can find those on our website. But today we're actually going to be talking about something I'm personally really excited about. It's been kind of in the works for a while now. Jason has taken it to heart, and you know what? I'm not going to take any more of your time away, Jason. What do you have for us?
Well, thanks, Jeff. This is going to be our new starter kit, the Sisel System Kit, and that'll be launching in March. Now, this kit comes in this lovely branded box. I think, Jeff, you would agree that this is a stellar looking design, right?
Yeah.
I mean, look at this.
Looks great.
Okay. Now, when you get this kit, it has a bunch of different components in it that make up the system, right? So let's kind of walk through those really quickly. Kind of the guts of the piece, or the main piece, is the Sisel System brochure. Now, this brochure walks through 12 different steps that we encourage new distributors to follow. Okay. The first one is discover your dream. You got to figure out why you started the business. The second one, make your list, right? Who are you going to talk to, Jeff? Make your list. Check it twice. There's a lot of people you know. Develop and share your Sisel story, right? So it's really important at this point to try products and be able to tell people why you're doing Sisel, right? Now, contacting, we talk about tips and different approaches for being able to contact people, right? Whether it's phone calls or shooting them an email, what have you. So there's certain skills that you need, certain ways to approach people. We also talk about the importance of getting a return on your investment. That's step 6, okay? Of course, you want to get that return on your investment right away because there's more returns to happen later on. And then we talk about your first 30 days. The things that you should be doing in your first 30 days. You know, in that case, it's probably, you know, helping you get that return on investment. And then we have your first 60 days. That would be, you know, step 8. And at that point, we talk about you should really be getting your product for free by then, right?
Right, exactly.
And then we have step 9, which is a change in lifestyle. And we talk about, you know, the kind of income that would be effective for that change in lifestyle and how to get there. Then we talk about becoming a one-star master. And step 11 is keep building and developing your team. And then the final step is, of course, the commitment and actually taking action and going forward. So this kit is, you know, it's not a comprehensive piece, I would say. I'm a big fan of bite-sized chunks. So, you know, back in the day, we'd give you this, you know, 40-page thing, and okay, go, you know, here's the instructions to the space shuttle. But, you know, this kit actually takes on different. So we're going to talk about the compensation plan in a separate piece. We're going to talk about why Sisel in a separate piece, and I'll get to that in just a quick second. And so the Sisel System Guide is a framework, right? I mean, successful distributors probably have their own way of doing things, and this is not meant to replace that by any means, but it's something that you can, again, it's a framework. You can supplement your own system and your own way of doing things as a complementary piece to the kit.
So let's dive into it. Looks like there's a lot of great stuff.
So again, we've talked about the Sisel System Guide, and there's been a lot of requests for this particular piece. We're actually including a flip chart, right? And this is going to talk about a little bit about the company, a little bit about our products, but the majority of the information contained here is about the compensation plan, right? That's a tricky thing to talk about. So the nice thing is you kind of have these talking points on the back, of course, and then the person that you're presenting to is looking at the front piece, right? So great piece, very excited. We've had a lot of people ask us for this, I guess, over the years.
I'm glad we're getting this done because you guys have been wanting it, and now we've got it for you.
So flip chart,
awesome.
That'll help you. You know, if you're belly to belly with someone, or you know, one-on-one, it's a great piece. So this is another piece called Why Sisel, and this is done on, we're calling these tear pads. And so, you know, it talks about why Sisel on both sides, and you'll get about, you get 10 of these in a pad. And so as I'm talking to you, Jeff, then we're gonna sit there, and we're gonna go through this, we're gonna make some notes, you're gonna get all excited, and then I'm gonna say, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that with you.
And then I get to take that home with me, cool.
And then you'll have a few more of these, and you'll be able to order these kit components separately to kind of restock yourself, right? restock your business.
Right.
Okay, and then we have another tear-off sheet. This would be the enrollment packs, right?
Oh, great.
So,
yeah.
same thing. I tear it off. I introduce you to the different packs. Jeff,
Right.
what are you? You look like a beauty pack guy to me,
I will
Jeff.
go all into the beauty pack.
Okay, I've been meaning to tell you, you look really nice today.
Oh, thank you.
And so on the other side, we actually have the distributor enrollment section. So I can actually take your order and sign you up, and I gather your information here. And if I'm not at a computer or what have you, I can go back later and put it in. I've got your signature.
Perfect. Okay.
And you'll go online eventually, and you'll get your P&Ps, and everything will be
Excellent tool for you guys. This is great.
absolutely.
Awesome.
How many times have you been in a situation where you want to sign somebody up and
No internet, right?
and you can't, right? So, let's see. We also have the updated product catalog.
Awesome.
So we've added all the new products that as of today,
Right.
right? So we've got all the new products. You'll notice kind of like has a bit of a different look to it. The nice thing about the kit is it all looks like it belongs together, right? It has the same design. And so we'll be including these product catalogs. You'll get 5 of these in each new kit. And of course, you'll be able to order those separately. And then this catalog, like the old ones, does not contain pricing.
Right. Just the products in the descriptions.
But we will include a price list separately with each catalog.
Oh, perfect. Cool.
So I guess lastly, hope I'm not forgetting anything. I don't think I am. You probably noticed this slick little dot I've got here on my lapel.
That's pretty cool.
It's not a spy camera. It is the Sisel, basically just a Sisel pin, right? And you'll get a tight shot of that.
Nice.
And this is kind of like, I like to say this is like hanging up your shingle. Like, hey, look at me,
Right.
right? Oh,
Represent.
what's that? Well, let me tell you what that is, right?
Right.
And then magic happens. So, really excited about this kit. Like I said, you know, this is an opportunity for your distributors to hit the ground running, right? Like Aaron likes to say, you've got some bullets in your gun, so to speak, or if
Right.
you're, you know, you've got some arrows in your quiver, right? Other hunting metaphors. So pretty much, we're super excited to roll this out. Like I said, it's coming out in March, and I think there's an event happening in March where Junior is going to be present, and at that point, the kit will be available. And we'll also, around that same time, which I believe is March 22nd,
Yeah.
we'll be turning on enrollments. So I know we've had kind of like an interesting time where enrollments haven't cost anything. And now we're actually saying, hey, look, we've given you a great piece here. And so enrollments will be $25 moving forward to sign people up. They'll get this great kit. They'll get the replicated website, all the other good stuff. And existing distributors, because we've had some people ask us, like, hey, if I'm an existing distributor, can I buy this?
Right.
The answer is yes. So we'll sell those to existing distributors at about $20. Save you $5 off of signing up.
Awesome. Well, as you can, thank you, Jason. By the way, this is a lot of great stuff headed your way just in a month. In the meantime, go to our website. As I said, we've got our brand new product brochures that you can buy. We've had a lot of people asking for print versions. We've got those ready. Hit up our sizelsalestools.com. Make yourself an awesome business
Product
card.
of the product.
Right. Get some Sisel swag, get some tools for your events. We've got Milo heading out later this month. He's got a couple events. So, I mean, we've just got an excellent start to this year. Wild momentum, if I may.
Momentum.
All right. Well, hey, thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time, and keep on trucking.